Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, the last day of May 2024, and I've already solved one puzzle. I've solved a 2-star puzzle. Well, this one has 24 printed digits, so I could choose the other one, the 3 stars. But this one has 27 printed digits, so I thought maybe this one is a challenging puzzle, but turns out, yeah, ordinary 2 stars. We have a jigsaw Sudoku left, the binary, but it's time for the 4 stars puzzle. 4 stars puzzle number 8634. 8634. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 4 2s. All right. We have here 3 3s, 3 4s, 1 5. 4 6s, alright, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 1 9. So the 2s and the 6s are a majority. Can I start with a 6? Yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, second column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6, alright. 6, 6, 6. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now, need to wait. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, on the last column, no, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. Oh, 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column, no, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, okay. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. How about the 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column? So in the third column, the only place left, the 4, 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 7. Need a 7 there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and the 5. Alright. 7. Need a 6 there, okay. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Okay. So we have a 5 in this third row, 5 in one of those two boxes in the first row. Sorry, again, we have a 5 in the third row, and we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there, together with the 7. We have a pair. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Need a 5 here. Need a 7 here. Alright, and now need 8 here. I need a 4. I need a 4 here. Okay. These are 3 missing numbers in the last column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9. Okay. The 7 here. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4. Well. How about? Now I need to think. Need a 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in the first column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Shoot there. And the 5 here. Well, we have a pair. The 5 and the 7 in this column. The first column. The 5 and the 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 5 and the 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. And look, we have 5 and a 7 in this row. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. So we have 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. So we have 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then let me think. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 7 and 5, we have a 5 now in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, okay. So here 2 numbers left, the 8 and 9, okay. 5, 6, 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1. 8, 9, 2, and 2 and 4. Well, we have a 2 in this row, the 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 in that row, no 2 there. Only place level 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Yeah. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Here we have a 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. Then I need a 9 in one of these 3 boxes in the last column. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. We have a 9 in the row below, so no 9 there. The only place left of 9 should be here. So the 4 and the 8 are left, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright, so we have 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only place left of 8 should be there. Here we have also 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We have 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left of 9 should be there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so on the last row. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next on that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. The 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish. 30 minutes. What a surprise! Well, again, 4 stars no, 3 stars no, 2 stars no, 1 star no, 0 stars, and faster than 14, 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.